Hi, so today I'm going to guide you step by step how you have to do the Monday fasting. If you have also decided to do the Monday fasting, because Monday fasting have a tremendous benefits. As per the Shastra, the easiest god to please is Lord Shiva. So if you are also devotee to Lord Shiva and you want any of your wishes to get fulfilled, then make sure that you are doing the Monday fasting. What do you have to do? And step by step, I'm going to guide you how you have to do the fasting. So first, whenever you are doing the Monday fasting, you have to make sure that you are waking up early in the morning before the sunrise. Add the Ganga Jal in the bathing water. If you don't have a Ganga Jal, then you can add the turmeric in the bathing water. This will help you out to purify your soul. Try to wear the light color clothes on Monday. Try to wear the white color clothes on Monday. The second most important step is that you have to set an intention. What is the purpose of you doing the fasting? Because there are a lot of benefits of doing this Monday fasting. So you should be clear. As per the Shastra, all your wishes can come true if you are doing this fasting with the pure intention. So you have to set an intention. What is the purpose of you doing the fasting? So what you have to do, you have to take the water in your right hand, close your hand and close your palm and close your eyes and set your intention. If you have a home temple, you can sit in front of Lord Shiva and set your intention. If you don't have a shivling at your home, you can visit to a nearby temple. In any case, if you don't you haven't get an opportunity, or it's not possible you to visit to a nearby temple, or you don't have a shivling at your home, in that case also you can face northeast direction. Take the water in your palm and set an intention. Lord Shiva, I want to attract a right partner, or I want to get the career success, or I want to improve my health. You have to set an intention that this is the purpose of me doing the fasting. Now you're ready to do the fasting. The first is, in the morning itself, try to offer water to Lord Shiva. That if you want to improve your relationship, then you can offer honey to Lord Shiva. If you want to improve your business, career, and the finances, then you have to offer Bel Patra to Lord Shiva. You can write Ram on the Bel Patra with the Chandan, and you can offer the same to Lord Shiva. So this is a procedure that you have to do first thing in the morning. In any case, you don't have a shivling at your home, or you are not able to visit to a nearby temple, then you can do Mansik Rudra Abhishek too. The link of the Mansik Rudra Abhishek, like in the imagination also, you can offer water to Shiva, you can offer honey to Shiva, you can offer curd to Shiva, you can offer Belpatra to Shiva. The Mansik Rudra Abhishek video has already been shared. You can check it on the description. It is also being attached in the comment section too. So you go and you have to click on the same, and you have to do the Rudra Abhishek in the imagination. In any case, you are traveling, or you are not able to find a nearby Shiva temple, or you don't have a shivling at your home. In that case, you can do the Mansik Rudra Abhishek also. It is effective you doing the physical Rudra Abhishek. So the link has already been shared. Now after that, make sure that you are clear with your thoughts. If you are doing fasting, you are not eating on that day, you should be clear that your thoughts are clear. No jealousy, no gossips, no comparison, no complaining. Try to be in silence throughout the day. Do the Maun breath. Try to be in silence. Just remember Goddess Parvati, remember Lord Shiva, and keep on chanting Namah Shivaya as much as you can. And try to go to your office, do your regular work, but be clear with your thoughts. Make sure that your thoughts and you are pure. Anyways, you should be pure throughout your life, but this is as you are doing the fasting, so purity is very important. No gossips, no arguments, no anger, no judgment, nothing need to be done on this day. After that, what you have to do, the pradosh kal is very important. That is between 6:45 to 7:45 time PM is very important time to make a wish. What you have to do, first you have to sit in silence and you have to chant Namah Shivaya. Along with this, you can do Rudra Abhishek of Lord Shiva, or try offer water to Lord Shiva, offer sugar to Lord Shiva, offer curd to Lord Shiva, offer honey to Lord Shiva, offer Bel Patra to Lord Shiva. 3 or 5 Bel Patra you can offer, and if you want financial abundance, then you can offer rice to Lord Shiva, and then again you can offer water or Ganga Jal to Lord Shiva. So if it's possible, try to do the physical Rudra Abhishek if you have a shivling at your home or you have a nearby temple. If it is not possible, you are traveling or in any way out, you can't do the physical Rudra Abhishek, then again you can do the Mansik Rudra Abhishek. The result will be 100% effective as if you are doing the physical Rudra Abhishek. The link of the Mansik Rudra Abhishek has already been shared in the description and in the comment section. After that, you can do this fasting in two ways. Like, You can do fasting throughout the day. You can eat fruits, vegetable, you can eat fruits, or you can have milk or the coconut water or the simple water. This is the first one way of doing the fasting. And after the sunset, after doing the Rudra Abhishek, you can have your meal without the onion and garlic. That should be a simple meal you can have. This is one way you do the fasting. Second way, and which is a very important and a very auspicious day of doing, very auspicious way of getting your wish fulfilled, is try to do fasting only on water or only on fruit throughout 24 hours. Means you have to break the fast next day on Tuesday after the sunrise, and this is the best way of doing the fasting if you have any specific wish and you want that wish to be fulfilled. Next day, what you have to donate after, once you are breaking your fast, then if you are facing marriage related problem, you are facing problem in your marriage or attracting the right partner, then you have to donate white color clothes to the needy. Along with that, you have to donate sugar and rice to the needy. If you have a finances related problem, then you can donate yellow color clothes to the needy or the blue color clothes to the needy. Along with that, you have to donate bananas to the needy. If you have a health related problem, then try to donate anar to the needy. And even donating anar to the needy after doing this fasting will help you out to invite more prosperity and the abundance too. If you have any specific wish related to the marriage, you are unmarried and you're facing problem in attracting the right partner, then this is a very effective remedy which is written in Shastra, which you can do on Monday. Is you have to offer 108 bel patra to Lord Shiva, write Ram on it with Chandan, and offer the same to Lord Shiva. When you are offering, offer one to Lord Shiva and say Namah Shivaya, then second Namah Shivaya. This is how you have to offer 108. In any case, you are not able to find 108 bel patra, then you can just take one bel patra and write Ram on all the three leaves with a chandan, and offer the same to Lord Shiva 108 times. Like you have to offer one time Namah Shivaya, then again Namah Shivaya, again touch it and say Namah Shivaya and Namah Shivaya. This is how 108 times you have to offer the same to the Lord Shiva. In any case, you are not able to find the bel patra, then again the mansik bel patra also you can offer. The link has already been shared. How you have to in your imagination you can offer the bel patra to Lord Shiva and make a wish. So Lord Shiva is happy with your pure intention, not the deep rituals. So make sure you are praying to Lord Shiva, you are doing fasting of Lord Shiva, so your intention should be pure. With the blessings of Mahadev, all your wishes will come true. Har Har Mahadev.